to my channel. Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be taking you through what is my Osmo. So I got the Osmo Pocket 3 creators combo, and I would like you guys to see with me. I've not unboxed it yet, so I would like you guys to see with me. And I also got the Pocket 3 Magnet Mount. So let's unbox this together. Okay, what's this? Oh, qualified certificate. I don't know what that is for. I think it just means it's authentic. And then this is it. Wow, this is really cute. I think I saw a video on how this is used, but so I don't break it. I think we'll come back to this later. I'll figure it out and I'll probably give you guys a video on how to use it. So let's open this other one. I don't have a scissors, but I'll be using a knife. Let's tear this baby up. So like I said, Osmo Pocket 3. Now this is where they okay. Wow, it fits now. And I'm so excited. You have no idea. Like, I'm so excited. So this is how it came in. So I've seen a lot of videos, so I believe this is the bag. I can't remember what I saw here. By now I've watched a lot of unboxing videos before this day. Okay, so it came with this. I have no idea what this is. And this is this manual as a start guide. And this is, it looks like a sticker. Bring the memory card. I don't know what this is. And a manual too. So let's start with this one. So let's start with this. So okay, why is something missing here? Is this how it's supposed to be? Why is this over here? Okay, I think I opened the wrong place. Yeah, I did. This is where I'm supposed to open. Okay, this is this is a case. Okay, this is a case, and this is the Osmo itself. So I open this. I know it came in a bag. So the creators combo, I think the normal one doesn't have a bag, and the creators combo has a bag. So let's see what is in the bag. Wow, it's well packed. So we have, I believe this is the battery. I think I've watched a lot of videos, and this is like the extra battery, if I'm right. So then it also comes with this. God, I don't know anything in this Osmo. I actually thought I watched videos and I was good, but I have no idea. I'll figure it out anyways, but I have no idea. Oh, this is the mic. I know this one very well because I kept saying this everywhere. Then this is, let's see. Oh, this is a tripod. I think I know this one. Thank God. This is a tripod. Yeah, this is a tripod stand. Then this is the cord. Yeah, so I saw that you could actually use it to transfer. This is the cord, the charger. Let's call it charger. Then this is the noise cancellation stuff for the mic. It's supposed to be, I have have to watch it. Look, okay, this is it. Hi guys, welcome to my channel. That's what I'm going to be doing for you guys. Like, anyways, guys, so this is it. I don't want to mix up these cases, but this is it. Then drum rolls. Okay, not your drum rolls yet. I don't know. Okay, yes, I can remember. This is, I think they said, is a lens that makes it. Oh gosh, I'm so bad at this. But I remember what this does. It's like a wider lens or something that makes things like wide or something. Then this is the Osmo. Guys, this is so beautiful and it's so cute and tiny. I remember that I saw this like this. Okay. I think I'd have to watch videos and come back. Like you put this, the smaller one, put it here, and just click. Guys, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Bye guys, love ya. Don't worry, content is about to content. All right guys, bye.